That's a wrap. Holy crapola, man. Woo! That was something. Let's try a little cookie nookie, shall we? You want a little cookie nookie, baby? Ooh. Cookie just had some nookie with my mouth. Ooh. I like that. Just sort of coats the taste buds on the tongue and on the roof of the mouth. Sort of settles and soaks. Much like a cookie as it melts in your mouth. And just as you're like, ooh, that tastes good, you get a little burning in your ears. And then in your head, and a little bit in your throat. And you're like, oh yeah, there's the kick. And despite the kick, that coating is just so good. You gotta go back for more. Wow. Yeah. I should maybe not bust out my buzz balls in mixed company. Because my buzz balls make me feel a certain kind of way. It's that cookie nookie feeling, baby. What the fuck? I could take you to Funky Town right about now. Woo-hoo! Just saying. Let's get it on. Put that root chakra away, man. Damn it, Jim. I'm a doctor, not a gigolo. 27 years. And look at us. Still playing the same old reindeer games. Aye. Hey. Fuck Nutt. Ah! Oh, hey, life is different and strange. Ah! That's gonna be my new way of busting on you, just so you know. When you start to irritate me, that's what I'm gonna do. Because that's what you do to me. Right here you did it, as a matter of fact. Still, I am very open and honest about it. Like, listen, are you listening to some of these stories? I felt a little pop in my head, and my body went, meow. Not the strangest thing that's happened to me. I was like, in fact, my words to Cuddlebug were, well, that's new. What? Whoa. Ah. Oh. Whew. Oh. Shook it off. Went to work. 2 days I went to work because that was not the strangest thing that's ever happened to me. And I'm very blatantly open and honest about it, that excepting for the sucky side effects, dude, I'd experience that again in a fucking heartbeat. Holy crap. Whoa. I have never. Whoa. Woo. Ah. Whoa. What was that? I'm talking, I've had some strange shit happen. Never anything like, whoa. Woo. Hey now. Okay. Whoa. Like, that's kind of what it was like. Like it just, I felt this. Whoa, what was that? Keep in mind that twice in my life, about a year apart, I had a similar but sort of opposite experience. I had been, we'll talk, the first one, I had been meditating on the couch in the family room. And I kind of came back. I feel like I sort of forced myself back, but I remember I came back and I got up and I was going to snack on a couple pieces of cheese. I'm eating the cheese and I felt almost as if someone had yanked my spirit right up out of my head. Whoa. Oh, no, that's not right. And I went to go back. I got my foot one step through the doorway into the family room. Gone. Everything's gone. And the next moment I have is me picking myself up off the floor next to the couch, which is several steps from where, and a turn, and I've got a bloody bridge of my nose because I hit the chest that I used as a coffee table. I went to the doctor. I got all sorts of tests. Scan this and test that and pump something. I don't fucking know. And after all of that, he said, well, we're going to call it a fluke. A year later, it sort of happened again. On the couch, meditating, came back, was like probably not meant to be back, but I went in to tinkle. I can remember getting through the door and I know I got to the toilet, but I can't picture it. The next thing I can picture is picking myself up again off the floor. However, here's the thing. I knew this time that I had passed out. How did I know that I had passed out? Because the thing that called me back to awakenedness was the sound of my head hitting the floor, reverberating inside my head. Whoa! Okay. Oh, so this? Yeah, that was nothing. Fucking cool. Whoa! Like I said, dude, in for a penny, in for a pound. 27 fucking years we've been doing this. Like, I might as well just fucking enjoy the ride because I'm on it, whether I want to be or not. Amen. And I wouldn't have it any other way. It has been something. The good, the bad, the fucking ugly, and oh, has there been plenty of ugly. Damn that demon. Thank you for this miracle that is about to happen. Remembering then, remembering now. The when, the where, the who, the how. What a journey it has been. I'll drink to that. It's somebody's birthday. I'll drink to that. My anniversary. I'll drink to that. My wife had a baby. I'll drink to that. I hope that it looks like me. I'll drink to that. Oh, cookie nookie.